Hey guys, my name is Frank. I have my Vortech V2 S-trim for sale. I figured I'll just take a video to show you guys everything about it. All the intercooler piping is cut. This will be blocked off. This is Friday meth. I'll have it blocked off by the time I sell it. The intake air control is all tapped in over here. You'll get all the fittings and heater hose. Goes right into it. It's all 3-inch piping with the HPX MAF sensor. It's all nice couplers. Comes down across the fender well. You have your CX Racing 4-core intercooler, back to 3-inch piping, in through the fender. Comes right up into here. You have your 50mm blow-off valve, and it all comes right into the blower. It's a 7.55-inch overdrive crank pulley, and right on the blower it's a 312, but I also have a 3.3 for sale. There's a polished head unit. It's a little hot right now just because I drove it, but doesn't move any, there's no shaft play at all. It was just rebuilt. It's about 5,000 miles on it now. You'll also be getting the Kenny Bell 4-inch intake piping, and you just seal the filter right down here, which fits nicely. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. Let me just start up for you. But the kit will be on my car until I find someone to buy it. It is my daily driver, so you know it works. This is as user-friendly of a kit that you can buy. It's on the car. You get it. You bolt it right on. Very simple. There was something else. Oh yeah, it has an upgraded steel oil feed line. You can kind of see it down there. The red plastic ones always leak, so this one doesn't leak. Everything comes out nice. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. You can call me at 732-425-0643. Take any pictures, videos, or information you need. Thank you.